Today we're finally tackling one of the biggest projects that I've ever done, and that is my YouTube studio. So let's get it. Alright, so if you're a subscriber to this channel, for the past year I have had no consistency on my setups for my YouTube. Every single video is shot at a different type of location, and you know, there's just no consistency. Everybody that I know has a type of consistent background with their YouTube setups. So today the goal is to clean out one of our guest rooms. We're going to make it into a YouTube studio setup. We're here at the Home Depot. Got to do a couple things. Got to run a couple errands for the wife, do the honey-do list. I've been gone for 4 months. We got to tackle all this stuff down first before we can tackle the room, but I promise I will show you the before and after. It's gonna be great. Had to get a shovel. Cause we do it right. We do it right. Trust the fall, take the lead, and let it set you free. Cause when you need someone to trust, we are always there. Set your goals, live your dreams. You can always lean on me. Only 7 more to go. So I have to go back to Lowe's to buy a new shovel. So hopefully this one will last a little bit longer. So this is the old shovel. We cracked it right down the center there. Whew. We're just getting our thumbs green today. It's so hot. And then tonight it's gonna get like 50 degrees. And then here we're at 100. This is Texas weather for you. If you made it this far, then I appreciate you staying here. I need a breather though, about to die. It is a hot one in Texas today. So we're here in a room, and as you can see behind me, it's become a junk room. And I was thinking maybe I can use this as my YouTube studio. We're going to try and clear out as much as we can from this room and see if we can clean any of this stuff and really try just to empty out the entire room and start from a clean slate. All eyes on the way I vibe when I walk into the room. Wind blows underneath the soles of my brand new pair of shoes. I got the attention, I'm on a mission. No sweat in the way I step, I got a fresh new attitude. Oh my, 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 oh my, my, my. Call me a king, you can buy me a crown. Oh my, 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 oh my, my, my. I'm leveled up, and this is my world now. This is my world now. So anyone who tried to write me off, tell them they can go and write this down. This is my world now. Alrighty guys, so this is the lighting that we're working with. This is kind of the new setup that I'm kind of going for. Might be a temporary thing. I might, start including some new things in here, but this is what we're working with. And I kind of wanted to do a really quick rundown as to what lighting we're using to kind of get this look. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to shut off all of the lights and then start from the ground up so you can kind of see how we built this look. Alrighty, so as you can see, I've got pretty much all of the lights in the house turned off. I've got a practical light behind me, and I've also got a window right in front of me, but I've also got that flagged off, so there's no other light that might be contaminating or changing throughout a recording. First thing in lighting somebody is you want a nice key light. So I'm using these GVM lights. They're about less than $500. It comes with 3 LED panels. They're RGB LED. They come with stands. It is a great value. If you want me to do a review on those, let me know down in the comments below. So the first thing we're going to use is one GVM LED panel, and we're going to bounce it across a white sheet, and it's going to bounce on my face. And then on my left side of me, I've got another bounce to kind of fill in any shadows so it doesn't look as contrasty. And then we'll let the camera white balance a little bit, but this is kind of what we're working with here. This is what a key light looks like. As you can see, it looks pretty good, right? I mean, even with this setup right here, this would look pretty decent, but we want to take it another step further by adding some ambient light, some RGBs in the background. So let's turn those on so you can see what that looks like. Alrighty, so we have our RGBs now in the background, creating that nice teal and orange, the teal in the background with the orange practicals, and then the orange on my skin. If by now, teal and orange, everybody knows teal and orange goes really good. It complements each other. So the last thing that we need is a good hair light. And the hair light that I went with is a Godox. It's like a Godox light wand. I'll link it down in the description below if you want to purchase one. Of course, I get a commission. We're going to turn that on. You see that? It's just a subtle effect, but it just kind of carves out the background from where I'm at. And I've got that positioned up on a C-stand with a boom arm right behind me. And this is how it looks. This is the final look. This is how we built it up. We've got a key light with a bounce to fill in shadows, RGBs in the back, practicals, and a hair light. And this is the final YouTube setup look. And the thing about this is that I can have everything pretty much set up here. I don't have to take everything down, build it back up again. I've got a tripod here. I just slide everything on, turn on all my lights, hit record. Now might be as big as everybody else's and fancy and stuff, but it is something where I can just go into a room, lock myself in, hit record, and get going and producing more content for you guys. So if you like this setup, let me know down in the comments below. I'm really stoked about this because I'm going to really be creating a lot of videos. I'm super excited to start doing more videos. I appreciate all this support. We're almost at 450 subs. That's almost at the time of this recording. And a year ago, I had less than 20, and we are building. And again, it is all thanks to you guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you like this video. I try to make it very short and quick and to the point. Anyways, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, Jesus. I think I just broke with the remote.